Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I am a really big fan of iPhones. I have always been really happy with their quality and also with their overall functionality. And this right here is the Apple iPhone 14 Plus, and there are so many cool things about this phone, so many things that I love. One thing that I was really excited about when I got this phone, it might sound small, but it definitely had a lot of effect on the decision I took, is this beautiful color that it has. As you can see, it's a light purple. I just feel like it's so feminine and so pretty, and it's not a color that calls way too much attention. I feel like it's beautiful in a subtle way. And there are so many other things that I like about this phone. As you can see, it has two cameras, and these cameras are really good. I love taking pictures because I love to remember every single special moment of my life. And I just love how this phone really makes those pictures stand out and makes them look absolutely amazing. I love that you have options to edit these pictures to make them look even better if that's something that you want to accomplish. And I also especially love the cinematic mode that comes with the Apple iPhone 14 Plus. So this phone is absolutely amazing. I have been very satisfied to own this phone, and that is my point of view.